Circle collapsed thumbs on octave Ds, playing long notes. Let your wrist come down, out, and around. You maintain contact at the top with scoop pressure, and then you do a quick hop. It feels like you're playing with the whole inside edge of your arms. Now, you can play karate fifth fingers on 2 octave Ds. Bring your arms, your wrists down, in and around. This feels like you're playing with the whole outside of your arm.